Hey guys, my name is Thana and welcome to my channel. Today we are doing a walk around video of the all brand new Suzuki Swift. So let's get cracking. So here we are, the all brand new Suzuki Swift. This is a 1.4 liter turbo engine which produces 140 PS and oh my, with its 970 kilogram nimble weight, it's a beast. I must tell you, it's a beast. It has an 8-speed transmission, automatic obviously. The 1.6 manual did not arrive in Malaysia, but you know what? I'm not complaining. The engine shifting is very smooth. Let's quickly have a look at the front fascia here. The lights, I must say, they are handsome indeed. The lights actually are not just, I would say that almost geometrical shape, like a slant in the front and goes there, but there is a dome effect happening over here too. So it's very 3D in nature, and obviously you have got that what is that, a halogen bulb or whatever inside, but it's quite bright, and I do think it's a pretty car. Down here you've got something that looks like carbon fiber, Kevlar, I'm not sure. It does look like carbon fiber, but maybe it's plastic, I'm not sure, but it does look the part. It's very nice. I love this. It happens over here, down there at the lip here, as well on the sides. The side skirts are also the same material. You've got that big grill that everybody is doing nowadays. I'm not complaining. Looks like a fish trying to eat something up. But then again, the Swift always looked that almost big face look, isn't it? It always has this engulfing look, and the stance of this car is pretty awesome. If you look at the side over here, the way it sits out, you know what, I'm at this angle over here, it has got a bit of a Mazda look to it, so it is a very pretty looking car. Here we are up here. Let's go across. I told you about these high skirts. They are carbon fiber looking skirts. On the sides you got Yokohamas here. These are the Yokohama Advent A13s, and they're running at 1.550 16s, and it's quite nice, pretty awesome. The back is what I think is pretty nifty. Now, if anything I'll take it from this car is it's very practical. The boot space here, it's quite deep. Now normally I'm not a fan of deep bins in the back because it's hard to get out, but when it's a small compact car like this, deep means you can put more stuff in, because if it's too high over here, it kind of drops out. So yeah, I'm quite a fan of the boot space here. Practical, and obviously you can drop down the seats, one press here and voila, 1 second, it drops down there. So yeah, highly practical. Let's go in the back. Oops, oh my, this car is defective. There's a handle there, but no handle there. How do I open this? There's a door here. There we are. The handle is here. It's like an HRV. The handle is on the top. And let's just push the seat up over here and get in. Now, that's my sitting position up in front. As you can see, extremely spacious. Now guys, looking at the car initially, you think the Suzuki Swift is more like an Axia or a small car, but it's not. The height of the car itself is let's say it's a Vios and a little bit more. It's a tall car. The size of it, the length of it is also pretty long. If I park it to a sedan like a Vios, you will see it's very similar in size with a Vios. So yeah, it looks can be deceiving. So it looks small, but no, it isn't small at all. It's quite spacious. Look at that, how spacious that is. Lots of room there, and even my foot, if you see here, at no point is it touching the top. So yeah, pretty cool. You got one bin here to put your drinks, no aircon vents, no sockets there. A bit of a but, and again, very basic here. The steam actually goes around the car. The car is very basic indeed, and I think the issue with this car is about price, because other than that, the build quality in this car is fantastic. These seats over here are quite nice looking, but they're fabric. So the only issue we come back again and again is the price. But build quality, I'm loving it. Over here you've got its accents, which looks like as if it's lit, like one of those ambient lighting stuff, but it isn't. Buttons are very solid, obviously, because you know what, I think Suzuki always made high quality, tough interiors, and it's evident in this car. Steering is very nice. You've got this gloss black finish over here, piano black almost, and you've got this nice leather here. The girth is very small, so I think like when you're driving a car, the girth will determine how the car feels, and this car feels small and light because also the steering also is small and light. So yes, I'm a fan. On the cluster here, you've got 3 dials, and let me start this up. Press start. Yeah, so you got a nice layout there. You've got your rev counter there, your heat, your speed, and your fuel gauge. Nice of the system. The volume is controlled by this thing over here. It's sufficient, but because it's an Android Auto, I'm not complaining. I'm happy with the setup. The gear selector, it's simple, but what confuses me was manual. And I go to manual, I'm like, how do I shift in manual? There's no plus or minus, but you go to manual and it's supposed to put downshift here, plus or minus. So that's a bit confusing, but other than that, it's fine, because even in D, you can also go to plus or minus. So I'm not sure what is that M for, if I can put a D and also push paddle shifters. So I'm a bit confused on that part. Glove compartment, adequate, and that's about it. It's a very simple car. Would I buy one? You know what, I think it's a honest car. It's very clean, it's very quick. Watch my other videos about the handling of the car while driving. Definitely something I'll consider, but not at this price point. A little bit cheaper, you know what, it could be a hot cake in Malaysia. Bye guys.